The research experiences for undergraduates program teaches undergraduates from across the country to do research in laboratories. It's a summer program for STEM students, and we attract students from across the country, and they come here and have a research experience throughout the summer.
What I do here is we are studying how urbanization and changes in ant diets will actually affect ant behaviors and their predation.
I'm studying a process in fly ovaries by which certain cells come to have more than one nucleus. There's a lot to learn in a short period of time. We're definitely expected to deliver high quality results over the 10 weeks that we're here.
I never really got to do field work exactly, besides just like a few one-day experiments in a classroom. So it's really amazing just to come out here, because I'm from Kansas City. I have never been here before, so got to come out here for the summer, get a totally new experience, and it really solidifies this is what I want to do because I'm enjoying it so much out here.
They learn how research works, the ins and outs of research. They really get quite a bit out of it.